All right, let's take a moment and just go through how to mix this Vitargo sports drink up correctly. The thing that I want you to understand is that this powder needs to be broken down and evenly distributed through your water bottle to make sure that your carbohydrate and your calorie source is consistent through the bottle as it was originally designed in the formulation process. What I have here is the Coach Rob water bottle, and the reason why we went with this water bottle is you'll notice that on the side it has a display panel. What I've done before I started the video was I've already put in 10 ounces of air temperature water, okay? The reason being is this product dissolves better in an air temperature water. The colder the water, the longer it takes to break it down, which is going to require you having to shake the bottle longer because obviously the friction will create heat. So what I've done here is I've got 10 ounces of air temperature water in the bottle. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead, if you're going to use 1 or 2 scoops, you only want to put 1 scoop in at a time. All right. So in this instance, I've got a full dosage. I've got a full scoop. I'm going to put that in here. Now notice I do not add any more water to it. All I'm simply going to do is I'm going to take 10 ounces of water, 1 scoop, and I'm going to sit and shake this. Now for the sake of the video, I'm not going to sit here and shake it for a minute, but that's what I recommend. Take the time. It's worth it. Shake that for a full 60 seconds. What that's going to do is that's going to break down the powder. It's going to start to get it distributed through the water that's in there. You're simply going to open that up. You can take out of another glass. We're just going to add, I'm just turning this so I can make sure that I'm stopping at 20 ounces. All right. This is where, if you plan on adding a second scoop, this is where you'd want to do so. So we'll put in an additional scoop. And what I'm going to encourage you to do is don't cut it short. You need to make sure that you go the full minute with your second scoop in there. Okay? It's very, very important that you take the time to do so, because what I don't want you to do is go to shoot a mouthful of fluid and get a big old clump of powder. Not only is it going to not taste good, it's also going to take away from the carbohydrate profile. Remember, each scoop is designed to be distributed over 20 to 22 ounces of water. So I want you to shake that for another minute if you've put your second scoop in and you're ready to go. Now, one thing that you need to pay attention to is you'll notice when you look at these Coach Rob bottles that it measures up to 22 ounces, but there's still another inch to the top of the bottle. The reason why we left it like that was the fact that we wanted it to have some room in the bottle where you could take crushed ice and you could put it inside of there. Why is that? Cold water absorbs quicker than warm. So what I'm looking for is when you're thirsty and you're hitting your bottle every 15 to 20 minutes during exercise, what I want you to do is I want it to be as cold as possible so that when you consume it, it goes through the stomach even quicker. Now, what I would recommend is if you know that tomorrow morning you're going to have an early morning workout, don't be afraid to mix this up and leave it in there the night before. Okay? Research has shown that you can go even up to 2 or 3 days. I like it to be extremely fresh. So if you do it the night before, still follow the same procedures. And that would be 10 ounces of water, 1 scoop, shake it for a minute. If you're going to add a second scoop, put that in there, fill it up, shake it away. Okay? Then store it. The one reason why I want you to pay close attention to that 22 ounce mark is if you put it in your freezer overnight, what will happen is that's going to expand and you'll have some room for it to grow. If you fill it all the way up to the top and then you freeze it, obviously it's going to be billowing over when you open it the next morning. So don't open your freezer to a Vitargo ice bottle. So at this point you're ready to go. The good part about this product is you can literally drink it right after you mix it. The one thing that I want to remind you is during your workouts, please make sure that every time you pick it up, you shake it up, maybe for 10 seconds or so. And all that's going to do is ensure that the product is evenly distributed throughout, and that's going to maximize the effectiveness of the product. So if you have any questions about this product or anything on CoachRob.com, please click on the contact tab at the top of the sheet, and we'll be happy to answer any and all questions that you have.